I was reading this book called Everyday Ayurveda by Dr. Bhaswati Bhattacharya, and she writes an entire chapter about the importance of oil massage every day. It's an Ayurvedic ritual, and I wanted to read you something about it for our kids and for us, how good it is for our bodies. So, oil massage is the ancient ritual of starting the bathing process with a coating of oil. It has three main purposes. One is it pulls out the oily dirt, yeah, and second, it makes the skin and the tissues more durable. Third, it lowers the dry qualities and the rough qualities of our skin and our bodies. And more reasons are it helps the hair grow firm and strong in their roots, and if there are any wounds, it heals up faster and repairs the skin tissue. She gives an example. Ayurveda says that the stick dipped into oil and massaged daily will become so supple and strong that it can be bent but not broken. Right? Just this one sentence can tell you how important oil massage is daily, right? So it's not like a luxury that we think that once a month we can get a massage in a parlor or something. Oil massage is supposed to be done every day. You can do a self massage for 5-10 minutes, and that's more than enough for our bodies. So Ayurveda describes the importance of different types of oils, upholding sesame oil, ghee, coconut oil and mustard oil as the most important. Sesame oil is used when you really have a lot of pain in the body or your body feels dry. It's recommended more for adults. Coconut oil is generally cooling in nature, and it is used in places where it's a hot climate like South India, and it's applied to oil-rich parts of the body like the head, where it functions more optimally at a cooler temperatures. Mustard oil is applied where it's a more colder places, North India and other parts of India, and it's very hot in nature. It's great for kids, especially who have phlegm and mucus, etc. So mustard oil, coconut oil, sesame oil and ghee. Ghee rebalances mostly any problems that you have. You don't know, then you use ghee, but please do use good oils. That's the most important here. Good cold pressed oils is always good for the body. We don't have to be experts in having been trained as massage experts. It just says there are 3 main strokes to learn. One is Anuloma, which is along the lines of the hair, simple, just one stroke outward. Second is Pratiloma, against the lines of the hair, so against the growth of the hair, usually towards the body. And circular, right, that's done around the elbows, shoulders, knees and the heels. And that's it. I think if we can spend 10 minutes before bathing ourselves and our children with a nice oil massage, it can do a lot of good to our body in the long run, right? It is a ritual, guys. It's not a luxury. It's not something to be done every once a month. It's to be done every day. Ayurveda recommends it to be done every day. Let's try doing it for our kids as much as possible, as frequently as possible. Hope you like the step. Bye. See you in another video.